This is 2 marks question and non-calculator. Let's do it. So the question says work out the pressure, and the pressure is given. So the pressure is equal to force, which is 10,000 over area. Now the base of the tank in contact with the ground has this area. So the area is 4 times 2, which is 8. So the answer is 10,000 divided by 8. 10,000 divided by 8 is 2,500. Just think of it like money, it's easier. So it's 2,500 newtons per meter square. And that's your answer. You don't need to write the units. The units is already given. And that's 2 marks for this question. Now let's look at the next question here. So question 8.